YouTube, what's going on, guys? Look, this you guys already been asking for. You guys been commenting in the videos, already saying, when are you gonna come out with another roast of my subscribers' ways? When are you gonna come out with another rating my subscribers' ways? All that good stuff. And I was really putting it off because I had I had to do the update, I had to do all that. But you guys already know, you guys been flooding the DMs, still currently right now sending me DMs. So we gonna go ahead. I'm gonna try to. I don't know. I'm just gonna be flicking all around because I don't know. I gotta do about like 3 of these in a row or something. I gotta push these out because y'all really flooding my DMs. But it's cool. We gonna go ahead and we're gonna just go ahead and get into it. All right. So we gonna go ahead. We gonna just try to find somebody. We gonna find somebody. Here we go. Right off the bat. All right. Okay. All right. You still you still a beginner, bro. You still a beginner. Crown, I can see you closing up that crown. I can tell, bro, you still a beginner, all right? And I can tell this because you more like you still got the ripple type stage. Like you starting to get out of the ripple type stage and all that. But oh snap, this man opened his camera. He found out he's on it. Look, he active and everything. But yeah, so I would say, bro, you probably a beginner, all right? You probably a beginner. You really just need to work on putting in that brushwork, still putting in curling hamster smoothie. I'm really trying to get, the reason why curling hamster smoothie is better is because it really enhances your curls, which is when you lay down those curls, it turns into better waves and yada yada. You guys already get it. You guys hear me repeat the same things over and over and over again. But yeah. Okay, look, he just dropping in stuff, bro. He just dropping in. Look, here we go. All right, 10 weeks. All right, see, yeah. I'm not gonna lie, your waves look like you just put eggs in them, like how I did. All right, like I don't know what you're putting in your hair, bro. I don't know. You probably need to wash your hair out. I don't know. Maybe it's just the camera quality and I'm tripping. I don't know. Okay, but we need to get that figured out. I don't know what it is. All right. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to move to the next one. All right. Oh, by the way, I'll rate you about with the picture you sent me, I'll rate you a 7 because your waves look a little, something of the look of your waves isn't looking right. Here we go. Rate me, bro. All right, I got you. I got you. Okay. Hooky. You spinning, bro. You spinning, bro. Okay. You got the depth in your waves. Look. That is very important when it comes to straight hair waver is having depth in your waves. You got that. I really can't see your connections. Maybe you sent me another. Here we go. Okay. Okay, yeah, he's connected. That's a solid. I give that a solid 9. That's a solid 9 right there. I really can't see the crown too much, that's cool. This is a pretty good picture. You guys know how I feel. But send me the one with the fresh cut, bruh. Send me the one with the fresh cut, the fresh lineup. You're more than likely to get a 10 when you do that. It just makes your waves pop that much more. But yeah, bro, you got the depth, you got the connections. I don't know, in the back right here, like dead center in the back, it seems like you're having trouble connecting that. Don't forget to just brush straight down with that. If you're having trouble with that, I have a video on that, how to brush your 360 waves. Go ahead and check that one out. Oh, no. God damn, you need a taper, bro. God damn. All right. Okay. Alright. Okay. Let me see one more. Let me see what you're rocking with. Alright. It's clear. You're a beginner. Everybody sees it. Everybody knows it. Look at you, bro. You're a beginner. And you probably in the same stage as me right now, actually. Yeah, week 5. Exactly where I'm at. Week 5. Exactly where I'm at. And he sent this to me Friday today. So actually, that means you should be on week 6 right now. That means you should probably be on week 6 right now. So you're a week ahead of me. But, your progress is still good, man. I can tell, you really trying to get these waves. You can get waves. I mean, just watch my, weekly progress videos and all that. You're pretty much on the same track as me, which is good. That means that's how you know you're doing the right things, bro. So next, Wavy Yaya. Let's see, bro. All right, you looks like a medium texture waver, bro. You got a fork right there. You got a fork right there. All right. I mean, it's just one fork, Part 2. Oh, dang. He must have been trying to get in these videos. All right, you got a 4 right there. But, hey, you still spinning. I give you a solid 8.5. Probably a 9 because I'm probably just bugging. But, yeah, you spinning. Just close up your crown. Yeah, so I am going to go at 8.5. Just close up that crown. I can see that crown. You have a line in your crown. Close that crown up. Just try to, you know, I can tell that you're more serious about this because your connections. So go ahead and close that crown up. You know, your crown should be the size of a dime. It should be the size of a dime, okay? It's not supposed to be a line. It's supposed to be a dime. You hear the bars? Go ahead. Please rate. Why not? Why not, bro? Rate through 1 to 10. February 24th. He been trying to get ready for a while. Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Get a cut. Get a cut now. Like, for real, get a cut, bro. Like, it's time to get a cut. Like, just cut it and then go back on your wolf, bro, because it's starting to look a little bit ridiculous. I mean, unless you're really trying to go that heavy, I would just get a cut, me personally, because it looks like on the left side of, I don't know, you guys see it right there. It's like right there. It's like starting to over curl. Over curling is not good. You lose progress when you start over curling. So just go ahead, get a cut, and then go ahead and go on another wolf session, okay? It's not worth losing progress after all the hard work and extended periods of time that you wanted to, you know, gain progress and you're actually losing progress. So go ahead, get a cut, and go ahead and get a cut. You got the death in your waves. I give you a solid, solid 8. No, I'm sorry. I'm probably gonna give you a solid 7. Alright. Okay. Face all in the cut! Face all in the cut, cuz! Y'all like this! All in the camera. Okay, it's cool. Looking at your connections though, you connected. You know? I like how that crown's closed up. You putting in that work. Let me see. Let me get another one. Let me get another one. You gotta get another one now. Okay. Oh yeah, crown. I'm gonna give you a solid 10. You don't got no taper, but I give you a 10. You deserve a 10. Okay, you deserve a 10, bro. The brushwork shows. The crown's closed. Everything's connected. You got death in the waves. Give you a 10. I give you a 10, bro. All right. I'm barely getting started. I don't know what barely getting started is. Either you're not started or you started. I don't know what you mean by you barely started. No, you started. But you good. You got ripples. You got ripples. You got better progress than me, bro. Yeah. Your stuff is laid. Your stuff is laid right now, bro. You good, bro. Stop capping. You capping. Stop capping. Decline it, bro. You get a, I mean, you just started out, so I still give you a 4. Rate you. I'm gonna rate you then, bro. Okay. Oh, hell no. Y'all think, alright, to the average eye right now, y'all gonna look at this, y'all gonna be like, oh, he good, right? He good, right? Yeah. Stop looking. No. Okay, look at the crown, bro. Look at the crown. Right there. Boom. Right there. You see that? This crown ain't laid. You gotta lay down. You sent it a picture to get rated. You trying to get your waves rated, bro. And your crown ain't even laid down? Come on, bro. All you gotta do is take a little brush, take a little comb or something. And just brush that down. But it looks like you only brush your top, to be honest. From what I'm looking at. It only look like you brush your top. I really can't see nothing in the back. It does not look too good for you. So unless you're trying to get 180s, I suggest, bro, you go ahead, you brush all around, get your angles right, and start getting them waves all around your head. And make sure you get that crown all laid down. All right. So I give you about a 7. The reason why I'm trying to move fast is because like I'm really trying to get as many as you guys as possible in these, bro. All right. So 4 weeks in, I'm still a beginner. All right. We're gonna check you out. Bro, you lying. Why you capping? You is not 4 weeks in, bro. There's no way. There's no way in hell that you 4 weeks in. How in the world is you just 4 weeks in a beginner and you dang near connected? Go ahead, guys. Go in the comments. I want to hear it. I want to hear what you guys got to say. Go down in the comments below and tell me if you guys think this guy's a beginner. Let me know if you guys think this guy's a beginner, because I'm telling you right now, I don't think he's a beginner. There's no way. 4 weeks and he looking like that? No, there's no way. There's no way. That's like me like legit after like 2 12-week wolf sessions. There's no way, bro. But hey, let me know what you guys think down below. All right, let me know what you guys think down below. If that's really 4 weeks, bro, I'll give you a 10 just because of how fast of the progress you're getting. If that's really the truth, bro. Let's see. This man definitely was trying to get rated, bro. Rate me, rate me, rate me. Look. Definitely trying to get rated. All right, we're going to rate you then. Your waves better be spinning. It better be spinning, man. All right, so we're going to see. We're going to see. We're going to see what he's working with. We're going to see what he's working with. Okay. I see you, bro. Crown is closed. That's how it's supposed to be. Looks like you're going for a beehive, bro. You're on the right track. Definitely. Looks like you got your waves connected. Now you're moving on to the next stage of, really working on that crown work, which is, I mean, you got the depth in your waves. You spin it. Let me see it. The taper. Okay. If anybody knows that song, let me know what that song is. Please, somebody let me know what that song is down below. All right. But you're spinning, bro. I'll give you a solid 8. Man. Oh, he had to break out the picture. I swear, I'm trying to take a picture like that. Look. But see, I don't know if I would like with the waves, you know what I'm saying? I mean, now I can't do it. I gotta wait for my waves to come back. But, when I get my waves come back, have put their fingers on my head, you know what I'm saying? We gonna check you out, bro. Okay. He could get waves, man. It's just you got a wolf. Your hair is so short right now. It's probably even shorter than mine, bro. You gotta grow your hair out. You gotta get to your curl length. Let your hair grow out and brush at the same time while your hair's growing out. Literally, you need to go on a 12-week wolf, bro. Are you? You said I only have a front. That's why I didn't get the back. So, okay. But the thing is, though, is that your back and your sides are probably going to be the last part to be, start coming in. You know what I'm saying? Those parts grow kind of slower. So when the reason why usually your top is always the first to get ripples, some people it's your sides. It all depends what part of your head grows faster. So you're getting them on your top. But if you keep cutting your hair, bro, you're not gonna get the waves. Your hair is just too low. I can tell your hair is too low. Your hair is just slightly starting to wave. It's trying to wave up, but you gotta let it grow. That's the only thing I can say to you guys. If you guys are honestly like him right here, and your hair is this short, and you're just like, oh, I can't get waves. I see it, it can get there, but it won't wave up. It's because you guys aren't letting your hair grow out. Let your hair grow out, man. Y'all can't be afraid to go on these wolf sessions, man. Coursey hair waiver, huh? Coursey hair waiver. Okay. Alright. Now, this ain't my specialty now, but I'ma still help you. Now, you're a beginner. There's nothing wrong with that. But the thing is, bro, is you probably gotta lay down. You gotta lay that hair down. You gotta lay that hair down. Make sure you brushing, okay? You really gotta your hair gotta get laid down. Go ahead, slap some pomade in your hair, bro. Slap some pomade in your hair. Get a good brush session in, and then go ahead and use the softy to really help with the frizz and all that. And you should be good, okay? And you gotta stay consistent. You guys already know consistent brushing is key. So I give you about your hair is really low too, by the way. But I give you about a 7. Especially because look at this middle area. You see the waves coming in, bro. It look like you got the LeBron James going on, bro. Not the hairline, but the balding in the middle. You know what I'm saying? We can't have it. You gotta grow your hair out. I always heard ease in your way to your wolf sessions for course hair waivers. Don't go ahead and just jump right into your wolf sessions. Oh, I'm a beginner. I'm gonna do a 12-week wolf. Don't do that. All right, ease into your wolf sessions. You really want your hair to be trained. So yeah, that's all I really got to say to you guys. I feel like we ended on a good note. Okay, I feel like we ended on a good note with a course hair waiver, showing that you guys that this series, okay, is not just for straight hair waivers. It's for all types, okay? All types. If you're trying to get your stuff roasted now look, it's been a minute. It's been a minute since I've actually like did one of these videos. So if I have to get back in the groove of it, okay? I gotta get back in my groove. I gotta get back into my, my character, I guess you should say. My character in roasting you guys. Because usually I don't like roasting people. But that's what you guys like to see. So I'm gonna roast you guys, okay? But you guys already know we are to the end of the video, guys. I gotta go to bed. It's like it's 1:03 in the morning, okay? And I got school tomorrow. It's Friday, you know. Spring break's coming in what? Next week? I'm telling you guys, I'm brain dead. I'm brain dead right now. I need my spring break. I need my spring break, you feel me? But don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Like if you like the video. I mean, why wouldn't you like the video if you like the video? And plus, if you like the ways that you guys seen in this video, again, smash that like button. Go ahead and drop a comment on the ways that you guys seen, what you guys thought of the waves and all that, because you guys already know I like reading you guys' comments down below. Go ahead and subscribe because, I mean, why wouldn't you want to subscribe and hit that bell notification? You guys already know we dropping fire videos, but don't forget to stay with me. And it's 360 Woods. And I'm out. Yeah!